Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this cute flower scrunchie. Literally all of my friends asked me to make them one the moment I showed it on my Instagram, which by the way is lalacecrocheting. If you're on Instagram, come and say hi. This flower scrunchie is so cute and upgrades every look, and it's also super quick to make, a real yarn stash buster, and I hope you're gonna enjoy making it. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Lala. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and like this video so I can continue grow my channel and upload a new crochet tutorial every week. Grab your yarn and let's get started. To start, we're gonna need a hair tie, yarn in your favorite color, and a matching hook. I'm using worsted yarn and a 3.5mm hook, but it can also work with thicker yarns or thinner yarns. First, we're going to start by making a slip knot, and if you're not sure how to make a slip knot, I have a very detailed tutorial. I'll link it up on screen right now. Insert your hook, grab the hair tie, and now we're going to start crocheting into the hair tie. We're gonna hold the hair tie like this and the hook and the yarn like this, and insert your hook into the hair tie. Now yarn over into the hair tie. When you have two loops on your hook, you're going to grab the left one into the right one using your hook like this, and then you're going to work 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. This chain doesn't count as a stitch. Next, we're going to work a half double crochet. So yarn over into the hair tie, yarn over again through the hair tie, and when you have 3 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over into all 3 loops. And this is our first counting stitch. I recommend marking it with a stitch marker, just so it will be easier to identify it later. Insert back your hook. And now we're going to work 41 more half double crochets into the hair tie, around the hair tie to be more exact. I'm going to finish my first round of half double crochets off camera, and I'll see you back again when we have 42 half double crochets in the round, not including the first chain 3. This is how our hair tie will look when we finish crocheting 42 half double crochets around. We can now take out the stitch marker and slip stitch into the first half double crochet. We're going to insert our hook, yarn over, back into the stitch, and when you have 2 loops on our hook, we're going to grab the left one into the right one. And this is a slip stitch. Then we're going to chain 1 and start round 2. We're going to start by working a single crochet into that first half double crochet we just slip stitched into. So insert your hook, yarn over into the stitch, and yarn over. Again, you can mark that first stitch, move over to the next stitch and work a half double crochet. In the next stitch, we're going to work a double crochet. So yarn over into the stitch, yarn over into the stitch, yarn over into 2 left loops, yarn over into remaining loops. In the next stitch, we're going to work an increase of 3 treble crochets in 1 stitch. So yarn over twice into the stitch, yarn over into the stitch. You'll have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over into the left 2, yarn over into the left 2, and when you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over into the remaining loops. I'm going to work 2 more treble crochets into that same stitch. So yarn over twice again, second treble crochet, and again into that same stitch, 3 treble crochets. In the next stitch we're going to work a double crochet, a half double crochet in the next stitch, and this completes the pattern of what we're going to do in the second round. We're going to repeat this pattern 6 more times till we have 7 petals, a single crochet in the next stitch. Work a half double crochet into the next stitch, a double crochet in the next stitch, three treble crochets in one stitch, one, two, three, into one stitch, move to the next stitch and work a double crochet, a half double crochet in the next stitch, and this is the pattern that we're going to repeat. So let's complete the round, and I'll see you back again when we have our 7 petals. When we made the last half double crochet of the round and we got to the end of the round, we're going to take out the stitch marker and slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round. Then we're going to chain 1. Now we're going to take the stitch marker and mark that first single crochet, because we're going to skip it, but we're going to need to go back to it in the end of the round. We're going to skip this stitch, go to the next stitch and work a single crochet. Then we're going to move to the next stitch and work a half double crochet. Then we're going to work a double crochet increase into the next stitch. So 1 double crochet and another double crochet into that same stitch. And in the next stitch we're going to work 3 double crochets. So 1 double crochet into the next stitch, into that same stitch, another double crochet, and another double crochet into the same stitch. Move to the next stitch and work a double crochet increase, only 2, 1 and another double crochet into that same stitch, move to the next stitch and work a half double crochet, move to the next stitch and work a single crochet. And now what we're going to do is space those stitches a little bit so we can see the stitches of round 1, those half double crochets around the hair tie, and we're going to slip stitch under that single crochet, under that next stitch. We're going to insert our hook under that stitch, under the single crochet, yarn over into the loop, and when we have that long loop here, we're going to work a slip stitch. And now we're going to repeat. single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet increase in the next stitch, another double crochet in the same stitch, three double crochet increase in the next stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Move to the next stitch and work a double crochet, increase 2, 1, and in that same stitch 2, move to the next stitch and work a half double crochet, move to the next stitch and work a single crochet, and then we're going to slip stitch under the next stitch. So locate the single crochet from the previous round, insert your hook under it, yarn over into the loop, pull up a loop and slip stitch. And this is the pattern that we're going to repeat until the end of the round. In each petal, going to work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet increase, double crochet increase 3, double crochet increase, half double crochet, single crochet, and a slip stitch into round 1. So I'm going to complete my petals off camera, and I'll see you back again at the end of the round to finish it and fasten off. This is our flower scrunchie will look when we got to the end of the round and we have 1 stitch left to do. It's the single crochet. So let's work the single crochet, and then we're going to take out that stitch marker and slip stitch under the first stitch where we marked it with the stitch marker. Then we're going to chain 1, grab our scissors, cut off the yarn, pull up a loop and tighten it up, grab a darning needle and weave in the tail. We don't need to weave all the tail, it's enough just to hide it a little bit and then cut off the rest. And our cutest flower scrunchie is done. I really hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I upload a new crochet tutorial every week. I'll see you next video. Bye!